Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use conditional formatting in Power BI. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature that allows you to automatically apply formatting to your data based on specific conditions. This helps to visually highlight important information, making your reports much easier to understand at a glance. It's a fantastic way to draw attention to key metrics and trends without manual effort, saving you valuable time and improving data interpretation for everyone. To begin, select the table or matrix visual you want to enhance. Then, head over to the Format Your Visual pane, which is typically found on the right-hand side of your screen. Within this pane, you'll find a section called Cell Elements. Expand this section, and you'll see a list of fields from your data model. Pick the particular field where you want to apply your conditional formatting rules. Power BI offers several types of conditional formatting. You can change the background color of cells to highlight ranges or alter the font color to make specific text stand out. Data bars provide a visual representation of values directly within the cells, offering a quick comparison. Icon sets add small, intuitive graphics like arrows or flags. You can even dynamically set web URLs based on your data. Once you've chosen your formatting type, you'll define the rules. You can format by rules, setting conditions like greater than or less than a specific value or by a field's value directly. Then, select your desired colors, icons, or data bar styles to match your report's aesthetic. Remember, you can also apply distinct formatting to totals and subtotals, giving you complete control over your visual presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.